Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys, Gemini. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, the Fool and Tower in reverse. So Gemini, with these cards in your situation today, guys. It may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. Maybe for some of you, you would have trusted someone or expected something out of your situation, maybe in your career or it may be in this relationship, something to happen. But what is happening today is something different, guys, and it has broken your trust or that faith you had or that hope you had for future. So some kind of troubles because of that, guys. And I also see that you feel stuck. Circumstances are simply out of control. Something is going wrong, very wrong, guys, and you don't know. You are making efforts to rectify that situation. You are trying really hard, but whatever it is, you are unable to make that change, unable to do anything, and you feel really stressed because of that, guys. And the reason may be your carelessness or carelessness on the part of someone, guys. So it may be someone in your work situation, they were quite careless and they have done something wrong or done some mistakes. So that may be the reason for some troubles. Maybe they have decided something rashly without deep thought. That may be the reason for some troubles in your work, or it may be something in your personal life. Maybe you have made some thoughtless decisions and you are simply going for that impulsive actions without thinking about the pros and cons. It may be a situation in your relationship, or again it may be a situation in your career. So these thoughtless actions or decisions are the reason for troubles in your situation, Gemini, and you feel that your situation is out of control and you are unable to do anything today, guys, simply. So let's see what is the card. We have all negative energy with these cards, guys. I hope for a positive card here. It's Knight of Swords. So you are rushing to make some changes in your relationship, guys. Maybe you are a very skilled and talented person and you are resisting few changes that are happening. But with the previous cards, we saw that you are unable to do anything. Maybe that may be the reason. You are trying really hard. You are trying your best. But simply things are not going up to your expectation, guys, Libra, Gemini. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Knight of Cups. So with this card in your situation, guys, there are people trying to swindle you, involve you in some kind of a fraudulent activity. So you need to be really careful, guys, Gemini. You need to be careful. Stay away from that person. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you want more clarity, Gemini, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading. So we have all negative energy with these cards, guys. Maybe or may not be. Certain things may or may not go right or go wrong. We need not worry. These are just cards. They are pointing us towards something we need to make some corrections on, so we can rectify that and rectify our situation, guys. So our life is in our hands. So these cards are not deciding anything for us, guys. These cards are just based on a general reading, so you need not worry, Gemini. So that is the reading, guys. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first choice and this is your second choice. So whatever questions or doubts you have in your mind, you can think about it and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card for y'all, for those who have chosen this first card. We have not. So with this card, guys, maybe sometimes we try really hard, we do everything possible within our limit, and we desire for certain things, but no matter how hard we try, the results we seek sometimes elude us, and it is as if we are watching the game from the sidelines. And maybe the appearance of this card just indicates that we are not going to get what we are dreaming for. Maybe our dreams will be fulfilled in a different way, guys. So whatever happens, you need to have that acceptance. That is the energy. So sometimes we face rejection, and we need to understand that rejection is a form of God's protection towards us, guys. So maybe only the right things will reach us. The same way in our relationship, sometimes even in the beginning of the relationship, we may feel that that relationship is bound to move towards failure, guys. And sometimes it may be because certain red flags that appear in that beginning escape our observation, or we refuse to acknowledge them. So we need to understand that certain relationships are not meant to be, and it is not possible for us to make it be just like we dream, guys. So rejection is a sign from the divine that you are protected. And if you are in a situation to reject this person, remember that you are doing that for both your welfare, guys, for your good and for that other person's welfare too. And there is a perfect match for each and every one of us. We should not forget that. Maybe this person may not be our best fit. So sometimes maybe you are interested in someone, or you are in a relationship with somebody, and maybe there are troubles in this connection. You need to understand that if you feel that it is not going to work, you can stop making it work, guys, and see where things are going with this connection. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this crystal and this card. It is black tourmaline. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just stands for healthy boundaries, guys. So when we have good fences, we make good relationships. So the appearance of this card just means that we have to know when is the time to be alone and when is the time to be together. And if you are feeling tired lately, maybe somewhat bored or somewhat lethargic or tired, you need to understand that you are neglecting yourself at some given level, and you are giving too much, maybe suffering from empathy, or suffering or depending on someone too much. Maybe that may be the reason You have to see what it is. And you should not yearn love through self-sacrifice, guys, or not feel overwhelmed in your relationship. So this is the time for that. This is the time, maybe you are even matched with your soulmate, but whatever it is, you need time for yourself. You need time for yourself, and time to give that other person freedom, and time to enjoy certain things together. Maybe you need to spend time alone, or spend time with your friends, or do something alone. That is going to help you in a better way, guys, make you more relaxed in your relationship, and make you more fulfilling and nurturing in this connection. So you need to understand where you need to stop your indulgence on that other person, or their indulgence on you. So that is the reading with this card, guys, with this crystal spirit. That is the energy. And thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.